What's Rec Out for? Great question. I'll tell you the simplest way possible here on Simple Cafe Sound. Subscribe for more illustrated tutorials, short and sweet. Rec Out is short for recording output. This pair of RCA ports is used to get the audio that's in here to be forwarded out to another sound system like an amplifier, a mixing board, and yeah, even a speaker. To keep it simple and relevant to this channel, I'll show you why and how you may want to connect to a speaker or even another amplifier. Now yes, the standard way of connecting a speaker to this type of amplifier is with speaker wire. You gotta connect it this way if you have this type of speaker called a passive speaker. But you don't have to connect this way if you have a different type of speaker. That other type is known as an active or powered speaker. If you do have this kind of speaker, great. Just bring in an RCA or RCA to aux cable to plug one end into the rec out ports, the other end will go into your speaker. If you want to do this but you're not sure whether your speaker can, well, if you find an aux jack or a pair of RCA ports, it's active so you can do this. This is a great solution if you don't have passive speakers, but even if you do, well, now you have a third speaker. When the video's over, you can come see how I'm actively taking advantage of this method to greatly improve my current sound system. The second way that you can use REC out is, like I mentioned, by connecting it to another amplifier. Whether it's smaller, bigger, or even a stereo deck like this. Remember that what REC out does is forward out the audio signals it's receiving, out to whatever you're connecting the other end to. Yeah, even if it happens to be a whole nother amplifier. They both have the audio signal, so they'll each be able to amplify it as much as you want. To avoid any confusion, know that you're only plugging into rec out from the original sound system. The second one that you're forwarding your audio to, well, plug into any RCA ports that say in, like CD, cable, satellite, DVD, etc. Anyway, with more speakers, now you can stretch your sound out even further. I'm sure you can come up with other creative setups or even solutions. Check out how I'm taking advantage of REC out with this video right here. Like to help me, share to help out others, and sub to stay in the loop. But if you're feeling super grateful, you can thank me with the YouTube thanks button. Hope you get connected, and I'll see you on the next one.